Welcome to Tiny Tutors. Discover 30 essential hand tools for every project, like hammers, screwdrivers, and tape measures. Let's get started.
Hammer. Used for driving nails, fitting parts, and breaking objects. Screwdriver. A tool for driving or removing screws. Wrench, spanner. Used for gripping and turning nuts and bolts. Pliers. Used for gripping, bending, and cutting wires or materials. Hand saw. A tool for cutting wood, plastic, or other materials manually. Chisel. A sharp-edged tool for carving or cutting hard materials like wood or stone. Tape measure. Used to measure distances or dimensions. Utility knife. A sharp, retractable blade for cutting various materials. Level. Ensures surfaces are level, horizontal, or plumb, vertical. Clamp. Holds objects tightly together while working. Adjustable wrench. A versatile wrench with an adjustable jaw size. Allen keys, hex keys. Used for driving bolts and screws with hexagonal sockets. Socket wrench. A wrench with interchangeable sockets for various sizes of nuts and bolts. Hand drill. A manual tool for drilling holes in materials. Mallet. A hammer with a softer head, often used for delicate work. File. Used to smooth or shape hard materials like metal or wood. Punch. A pointed tool for making small holes or indentations. Hacksaw. A small saw for cutting metal or plastic. Wire stripper. A tool for removing insulation from electrical wires. Paintbrush. A tool for applying paint or varnish to surfaces. Trowel. A flat, pointed blade for applying or smoothing cement or plaster. Staple gun. Used for driving staples into surfaces. Crowbar, pry bar. A heavy-duty lever for prying or lifting objects. Hand screw clamp. A clamp with wooden jaws, used in woodworking. Vise. A clamping tool to hold workpieces firmly in place. Cold chisel. Designed for cutting cold metal. Pipe wrench. A tool for gripping and turning pipes. Needle nose pliers. Long, thin pliers for precise work. Hand planer. Smooths and shapes wood surfaces. Shovel. A hand tool for digging or scooping.